no trip is complete until you visit the Tamiya shop here in Shinbashi, Tokyo.
처음에 이런 상태였어. 처음에 이런 상태였는데 이렇게 하는 거야.
보이면 안 보이는데 너무 색깔도 약간 색깔이 한 20년 된 중고차처럼 보이는.
처음 만든 거니까.
So I'm sure you guys are wondering, wonderful store like that, what did you buy, James? Let me show you. So I picked up this cool t-shirt, Tamiya Tokyo, kind of souvenir from the shop, and a few other little small things. Let me turn this camera around. I've always wanted one of these design knives from Tamiya. See how different the blade is compared to your normal X-Acto blade? Shorter and a different, well, I guess the angle's the same. It's just shorter, smaller. I always wanted to try this. I see the Japanese guys, they use these knives, and I always wanted to try it. So I bought the knife. It was like $7 and came with a whole bunch of blades. I have an the last issue of the Alfa Romeo GTA Giulia, and the decals were shot. So I was pretty lucky to get these for 352 yen. I picked up a sticker pack. This is Tokyo only, Tokyo only stickers. Stick these on my my model box or something. And lastly was the ultra thin aluminum stickers. This was this was like $7. And this is actually pretty small. There's 2 sheets in here, and it's actually kind of small compared to like a sheet of bare metal foil, and it's not really reflective like bare metal foil, but I'm interested to do a comparison and try this stuff out. So yeah, for what, about $6, I thought I'd give it a shot. So, you know, all the directions are in Japanese, so guess I'll just have to figure it out. So there you have it, my tour of the new Tamiya store. The old Tamiya store was across the street. Now they moved into this brand new building. It's pretty cool. So let me know if you saw anything that you would have bought. Sorry, tank and airplane guys, I didn't film every kit that was in stock for the armor and airplane guys. Sorry. Thanks everyone for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. You still here? Go ahead and order yourself a t-shirt, hit the subscribe button, and watch the next video. Thanks everyone. Bye.